Hi, this is Padraig here from Boyle Payroll Project Management. Today I am here to bring you through the steps for completing your income tax return for 2023. This video was prepared by Revenue for previous years, and I have updated it with 2023 screens for Payroll Matters in Ireland. If you are looking at this on YouTube, please be sure to subscribe to my channel Payroll Matters in Ireland. It costs nothing to subscribe. This short video is for PAYE workers and has been developed to help you with a way to completing an income tax return for 2023. You can check if you are due a refund of income tax, universal social charge, or need to make a payment to Revenue. The quickest and easiest way to check this is in 3 simple steps through Revenue's safe and secure online My Account portal. Step 1. Sign into My Account by visiting www.revenue.ie and click My Account at the top of the home page. You can also sign into My Account using your verified MyGovID credentials. If you are not registered for My Account, you can do so by visiting revenue.ie, clicking My Account, and register now at the bottom of the page. You must also ensure that your registration details match those on your Department of Social Protection record. Step 2. View your preliminary end of year statement. This statement sets out your provisional tax position and includes information that has been submitted from certain third parties such as your employers and/or your pension providers and social protection. To assist you, some details from your preliminary end-of-year statement have been pre-populated. When signed into My Account, click in the PAYE Services section and select Review Your Tax 2020 to 2023. Select the tax year you wish to review, which in this case is 2023, and then select the Request button from the Action column on the right-hand side of the screen. You can then view your preliminary result for income tax and USC for 2023. Step 3. Select Complete your income tax return. It is your responsibility to ensure all of the data is correct, that you declare any additional income not already included, and that you claim any additional tax credits that you may be entitled to, such as health expenses. Guidance notes will appear as you complete the sections of the return. If you require additional guidance, you can visit revenue.ie PAYE for further information, or you can visit Payroll Matters in Ireland for instructional videos. You can also contact Revenue via My Inquiries on the My Account portal. Please quote the reference PEOYR in your inquiry. My next video will give a more detailed account of bringing you through the steps on how to request a statement of liability and a more detailed guide on how to complete your income tax return. So be sure to subscribe to our channel Payroll Matters in Ireland to keep up to date with how to claim tax credits for rent, working from home, work-related expenses, and many more useful payroll and income tax related videos. So see you next time.